Hi, Freedom. How are you? What you doing? Hi, Freedom. Hi, pretty bird. Hi, Freedom. Hi. Hi, Freedom. How are you? Freedom, are you going to say your name? Hi, Freedom. Hi, pretty bird. Hi, Freedom. What are you doing? Hello. Hi, silly. Hey, Freedom. What you doing? Hi. We're going to tell Betty hi? Hi, pretty bird. Freedom, what do you do when you see a pretty bird? Can you do your whistle? No? You don't feel like it? Alright guys, Freedom was saying his name a minute ago. Woo! We're out on a nature walk. Signing off live. Freedom, happy Memorial Day to you. Pretty parrot. Okay, hope everybody has a wonderful weekend.